Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Jeffrey Fries. This is Now of course, as you probably already know, you have never met a pirate. Pirates in your universe are mostly fictional. The pirates that you've seen or heard are mostly actors. Do a convincing job, they can do a realistic job. They don't always do the best job because they are actors and they are trying to be exactly like a pirate. I'm going to teach you exactly how to talk like a pirate. Like a pirate. The first thing that you want to do if you are going to talk like a pirate is to relax. Tip number 1.
Ship storage, pirate. I'm a pirate. I'm a pirate.